In this guide, we will show you how to connect FillFaster to make.com for the first time. So once you create a scenario, or if you already have a scenario and you add a new module, first thing you do is search for FillFaster. Look for the verified app. You can see here all the actions and triggers that we have in the FillFaster app. So let's start with the create submission link for this example, but of course you can choose any module you need. The first time you will have to create a new connection, so let's add a new connection. You'll need your FillFaster's API key. To get that, you can click here to go to your developers area. It will open FillFaster dashboard with API token. If it's your first time, you will not have API token, so make sure to click on generate a new token. Once you get the token, click copy. Here you can see how you use the token in API, but for now we don't need that. We just go and paste the token here in make, then save. Once you're finished, you can get all your forms and other data, and you can make sure the connection succeeded. That's it.